This is a message for those of you who are preparing for the Cambridge English exams. Now, I released my C1 Advanced and C2 Proficiency preparation courses a couple of months ago now, and I've been receiving some really positive feedback on those courses, as you can see from these testimonials. But because these are 100% online preparation courses, so they're a series of video lessons with some quizzes, I feel that what's lacking is some direct interaction with me, some feedback from me. So what I've decided to do from now on, when you purchase one of my courses, I will send you an email with an invitation to my TTP Exam Academy, which is a Telegram group in which it's exclusively for people who are preparing for the exams. And I will be there to answer any questions you may have, any doubts about the course or the preparation in general. And there you'll have information on how to join classes, workshops with me, and get your writings corrected with feedback. So the link to those courses is in the description. The B2 first preparation course is coming very soon, I promise. Now, if you have already purchased one of the courses and you would like to join the TTP Exam Academy Telegram group, then you can either send me an email or a message directly in the course through the discussion option, and I'll send you the link.